Hey everyone, welcome back. WhatsApp is testing a powerful new privacy feature that gives users greater control over how their messages and media are shared. Spotted in the latest WhatsApp beta for iOS by WA Beta Info, the feature is called Advanced Chat Privacy, and it introduces a new layer of protection for sensitive conversations. Once enabled, this setting prevents others, either in individual or group chats, from exporting the entire chat history outside the app. In group chats, turning on this brand new feature will notify all participants that advanced privacy has been activated. Additionally, enabling it will also disable Meta AI, WhatsApp's chatbot assistant that can be summoned within conversations. The update also appears to stop your shared media from being automatically saved to someone else's camera roll, even if they have enabled the Save All Media option for your chat. However, it is still unclear whether it blocks people from manually saving images or videos. With this move, WhatsApp continues to double down on user privacy, giving individuals more control over how their content is stored and shared. While the feature is still in testing, its rollout could mark another big step in keeping conversations secure and private, right where they belong.